pleased to go back into Victoria side.
As I walk round and round a penny arcade.
Exactly. So break the chopstick. If there's lots of splinters, it's bad luck. If there isn't, you're okay. So it's Father's Day, and for the ultimate daddy, we've been making cakes and a buffet. We're with the big dada himself.
Who's that?
You. Happy Father's Day!
All right, love. How you doing?
Aye, it is Father's Day and we're with the big dada himself.
Who's that?
You.
My big dada.
Yeah, your big dada bear.
Whoa! Big dada bear. I am. No, happy Father's Day to my dad, my dad's, my dad's, my dad's. Every dad's out there. Everyone's a dad. Every dad is getting off track now.
Yeah.
I'm giddy.
So
Do you know why I'm giddy? Right, because I gets up this morning and as dining room had turned into a bakery. So last night or yesterday afternoon since late evening, Sophie and George were baking. Summer coming. She'd been out all day. She snaffled away a few buns and stuff, didn't you, Summer love?
Yeah.
And she loved them. So yeah, but I woke up to all these baked goods and then a breakfast, and I'm just full.
So this is the perfect Yorkshire pudding recipe. 1 cup of eggs, 1 cup of milk, cup of flour,
I found it.
pinch of salt. Make big Yorkshire puddings today using cake tins. Took the oil. So it's Father's Day, and for the ultimate daddy, we've been making cakes and a buffet. Lemon drizzle, banana muffins, marshmallow chocolate brownie, date and walnut scones, bread rolls, caramel chocolate brownies, cheese scones that went in the oven too long, and some more treats. I'm going to make a script using... Best daddy in the world. Homemade bacon sandwich. You've got bagels, egg and cheese in the air fryer, and then mushrooms and tomatoes. Yeah. Yeah. And now we're off to York for the Shambles, and we're going to go to Hole in Wand and the Wand in the Hole, Crazy Golf.
I'm going to say I think it might be Wand in the Hole.
I don't know. It's one or t'other on the Shambles because Danny's a Harry Potter fan. We're going as a big family day out. And then we're after Pho Restaurant, and then hopefully Penny Lane Arcade for you old fogies to go back into Victoria side.
As I walk round and round a penny arcade.
Exactly. So let's go.
Let's go.
So we've parked up at Clifford's Tower, and Danny's broke the bank.
What?
How much were it?
£12.15 for 4 hours. Telling you.
Do you get a coffee? Unlimited coffee with that?
No, I think your city council are trying to pay for Vikings digging up or something like that.
Right, let's go. Coppergate Shopping Centre is where it's at. What you scanning from Batched? Alright.
Nice, lovely.
The hole in the wand. Let's go. Coffee. Gate Shopping Centre next to Yorvik Viking Centre.
Julius something.
Oh, what month's your wedding?
Find yours and
February. The Conjurer.
Mine's Julius.
Yours is the Great.
Mine's January.
The Enchanter. The Conjurer.
So we've just finished, and depending on your score you get a drink to match your score, and then also if you get a hole in one you get an extra badge, the hole in the one, and also you can pick from magic potions and different sweets in the shop to buy extra. Now on to its next stop, Pho Restaurant. The bubbles are out, it must be Father's Day. So the sun is shining in York and we're sat outside. It doesn't look like we're in Yorkshire, but we're in Pho Restaurant, aren't we, Danny Love?
But I love it. It's Father's Day treat. And we've come to Pho, and it's some of this type of food, Vietnamese. I say, is it Vietnamese?
Vietnamese, not Vietnamese.
I always say Vietnamese, and people
Yeah.
always laugh at me and say it's not Vietnamese. But to me, that's what it says. Look, Vietnamese.
Vietnamese.
But this kind of food, it's not something that I have regular, so I'm looking forward to this. Let's go for it.
Let's go. So break the chopstick. If there's lots of splinters, it's bad luck. If there isn't, you're okay.
Jazz not bad luck. Piper.
They're all right. No, they're
Jazz
okay.
not bad luck.
How's your jasmine tea?
Oh, do you know what? That is absolutely gorgeous. I've got a bit of hay fever. I'm eating bush, so that's not right good for it. But no, it's quite nice. It's nulling my hay fever down a little bit. Looking good.
Bit of beef. My favourite pho noodles.
Get a bit of beef on here. Let's have a go. Oh yeah.
Of course. Yeah.
Oh, I'm telling you. You know what? Just the flavour. I'm not really good with chopsticks like you love. I'll get there.
You're getting better though. I'm impressed.
Tofu curry?
Oh yeah. Well, a nice citrusy taste. The bean sprouts in there, noodles, sprinkled with the peanuts. Beef is cooked absolutely amazing. This is a nice little dish. Liking this. Peas. Look at that. Nice crunch stick veg. Not overcooked. Cooked in a nice bit of oil there. Bit of sesame oil. Quite beautiful. Wow.
Father's Day, everyone. Yes, we have taken old Danny and my stepdad, and also Sarah, Auntie Sarah, fabulous single mama, out for a meal after hole in the one. So we've come to Pho Restaurant, and what a day for it. We feel like we're in Vietnam, and here's my mother here, my mama. So yeah, we're getting some, obviously, pho noodle soups, lots of Vietnamese spring rolls, the nice fresh ones. Got kids menus on the go. Danny's having some beef. Morning glory, because I love a bit of morning glory.
Oh, I see. So it's funny.
You alright, Danny love?
I am very well, thank you. Look, we're live here.
Yeah.
How we doing, guys? We're live in York. Look at this one, bro. Yeah, what on beer? I want jasmine tea. It come like a little ball of grass, and it's slowly. It's a bit like you love. Opening up and becoming pretty.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, because when I first met him, I had my wonky finger in the cast, and I did look a bit draggled, didn't I?
Well, yeah, your head didn't look this good.
No.
You look like you were auditioning for Links Advert for Cave Girl. And then I've got some kind of
Cloudy lemonade.
cloudy lemonade, but I think it might just be a chef special, a bit of dishwater and someone else. How you do?
But honestly, we've got Singer beers. Oh, and I'm just going to order some prawn crackers. But have an amazing day, everyone. Hello. Our married life is very good, thank you. Celebrating 1 week.
We are.
This time last week, Chinese tea ceremony, and then limo with the kids.
Something.
Well,
Yeah.
well, you did. You went to limo with kids. I stayed at home getting buffet ready.
Yeah.
And the outside ready, should I say? And you come home and cook loads of food, didn't you?
Yeah, then I cooked dim sum. So we've been very, very lucky. So thank you so much. There's dim sum. Oh, and some mocktails.
Here we
So
go.
say hi, everyone.
Hi everyone.
Hello.
There we are. Happy
George is
Father's
just
Day
waiting
to
for
one
you.
and all.
Someone's put her sunglasses on. She says, get these eyes away. Get these eyelashes gone.
Yeah, it looks like we're in Vietnam.
Put it lippy on. She's thinking, ale.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, and now we're getting a photo. So see you guys soon.